Hello everyone! In this video we took a few pieces from an Ashcan Studio student Angelo's art portfolio to inspire you as you're making your own art portfolio. Angelo was accepted into the illustration programs at the top art schools Pratt Institute, the School of Visual Arts, and the Rhode Island School of Design. When you're stuck on what to make for your portfolio, seeing other students' portfolio work can be very helpful. A career in illustration can be as limitless as your imagination. It's a great major for you if you're an ambitious thinker and innovator. Illustration can be seen everywhere you look, on your phone, on your TV, at a comic convention, on the back of your t-shirt, people's tattoos, and every different kind of shop, from the giant retailers to small boutiques. Illustrators make stories that shape the way that we see the world. In a BFA illustration program, you would learn to translate ideas into images and media, including picture books, graphic novels, hand lettering, editorial and advertising illustrations, toy design, animations, and surface and display design. You would develop your visual storytelling skills through representational drawing and painting, coupled with production of text, three-dimensional objects, and animation. Graduates of BFA illustration programs pursue careers in illustration, comics, graphic novels, publishing, toy and product design, pattern and surface design, advertising, motion graphics, fine art, animation, and illustration design. Ashcan's portfolio prep classes are a great place to start. We have online classes now, so no matter where you are, you can develop your skills and ideas with the guidance of our outstanding teachers and programs.